Hi, this is the unboxing video of Skullcandy Jib wireless Bluetooth headset. So I have ordered from Amazon. It's mainly for very lightweight Bluetooth headset, which gives up to 6 hours battery. And this is a box. I have not yet opened the seal and ordered the red and black color Bluetooth headset. And it's a recently released headset from Skullcandy. As you know, Skullcandy is a very famous company for the audio devices, and it has a inline mic so that you can answer the calls. And if you press, it has only one button on the this part, so you have to press twice for the next song and thrice for the previous song, if you are listening to the music from your phone. And in this part, battery and other stuff will be there, and it has micro USB port to charge the device for 6 hours battery backup. So that's it about the device. So let me open the box. The MRP is 2,999 for this product. So obviously we can expect the good quality from the headset. So but don't worry, so I'll use it for a couple of days to observe each and everything on all aspects, and will give you the review video on the same. Nothing is there in the box. It's nice packing. I think this is a user manual. Yeah. Have to tear it. It's really nice package. So it has extra two mini earbuds. This is the free size, I can say. It's a rubber material, so which has for very comfort zone, and this is a micro USB charging cable. And yes, this is a device which having the battery and charging port on it, and a small LED light indicator on it. And this is a mic, and this is a button which I said, for one button to answer the call, press twice to forward the next song if at all in your music, 3 times to previous song. Yeah, overall the product is very lightweight and very short even. So let me try to power on the device. Press the button and keep for some time. Hold it for some time. Yeah, that's it. So let me go for the review and come back to you shortly. Thank you so much.